got a couple new tools from Cornwell. What we got for this week, I saw this 7-piece Deutsch terminal toolkit. I had the terminal, universal terminal removal toolkit, but this is specific for Deutsch, part number GSC95886. These I haven't seen in the truck. They're pretty new, so they tell you what they are there. You get like almost like a U, the smallest to biggest. Tells you the gauge of wire here, 4 gauge wire all the way to 20 gauge wire, and then you get your little like I would say like a flat, more of a flat head, and a removal tool. For the, if you guys don't know what Deutsch connectors are, this is a Deutsch connector. Here, this was on a cat. So, well, I'll make another video of me. It's when the inner pins, these, go bad. They're too spread out or too closed in. You gotta replace them. So you gotta remove the orange piece, the green piece, and then the orange weather strip there too. I'll make a separate video of me removing it with this terminal kit because I haven't seen anybody do a video on that. But here's a Stubby Torx Set. I don't have Stubby Torx, and I actually needed them. What was it? Last week, Thursday. So here's a stubby. It goes from part number 2. I think it's this one right here. HCT1050 from 15 to 47, or no, 50. Sorry. And we'll just compare. See, I always use these. These are my snap-ons. I have from Snap-on. What's the number? 8. All the way to 55. But these are just regular length. So we'll compare. Here's a 15. Here's a 15. And yeah, that is fucking stubby. Look at that. Let's see. I have the biggest one here. It's a 50. Here's a 50 snap-on. See the difference? So these stubby Vim come in handy. This one cost $44 from the Cornwell truck, and this one, since it was brand new, I think it was like $89. But I need it. There's times where these are a pain in the ass to come off, so I decided to grab it. What other sizes are there? Most common used one that I've used recently is the 45. Here's a 45 snap-on. Here's a Vim. So these should come in handy. Quarter drive. I believe they're all quarter drive. Yeah. So these I believe are 3/8. Yeah. So these are quarter drive. These are 3/8 drive. At least the bigger sets. From here to here. So 55 to 27 is in 3/8, and from 25 to 8 3 1/4 on the snap-ons. So I just decided to get these, and that's all I got from Cornwell this week. Thank you again. I'll see you guys later.